Okay, I like this one. I draw to me tremendous opportunities to create prosperity. I have a niche to grow rich. I say. Yes, let's repeat that one. I draw to me tremendous opportunities to create prosperity. I have a niche to grow rich, or a niche to grow rich, however you want to say it. Now, when we say prosperity, when I say prosperity, I mean prosperity in all areas of your life now, not just financial. There is spiritual prosperity, financial prosperity, mental prosperity, every kind of prosperity. Every area of your life you can prosper in, so don't just think of money, even though money does help everything to be a little bit better. So let's say this one more time. I draw to me tremendous opportunities to create prosperity. I have the niche to grow rich. Thank you for watching. Before we close, I want to invite you to join us in exploring the female divinity system using the African Goddess Initiation Manual by Abiola Abrams. We're looking for women who desire to awaken their goddess energies so that they can learn how to love themselves the most, so they can spread their magic all over the planet, so they can manifest the prosperity that is theirs by divine right, and so that they can move on this journey of theirs with ease and on purpose. The goddesses must be awakened. So if you're ready to elevate your life and you want to be a part of this mission, look in the description box or in the profile section and find the link to our sister circle and meet us on the other side.